RN residence was designed for a couple, their children, and grandchildren to spend weekends and vacations by a large reservoir. The imposing reservoir provides a beautiful view. Several vacation homes were built nearby, all close to the water. On the family's land, there was already a house near the reservoir. Upon analyzing the location, the project's principles were identified. A large Vinhático tree stood out in the background. The view of the reservoir was better from a higher point due to the gentle slope of the terrain. Thus, the project revolved around the tree, creating a wide, flat, landscaped area defined by the roots. In the covered car access, pivot doors fully open the entrance hall, where a garden of iron ore stones recalls the productive vocation of the region, seeking to establish connections with the region's specificities. The house features finishing materials that evoke the typology of the Brazilian farmhouse. In this sense, granite appears both in the stone walls and in the social area's flooring. Freio wood was applied to the ceilings and perforated panels of the bedrooms. The single-story plan, assuming asymmetrical contours, frames the patio, bounded laterally by living rooms and verandas, and at the back by bedrooms. Consequently, all areas of the residence were endowed with ample views of the outside area. Another important element was the creation of a wooden deck under the canopy of the Vinhático, with the aim of connecting the house to the garden in a natural way. Wood takes center stage in the RN residence, allowing for the configuration of a contemporary spatial concept. Facilitating the integration of outdoor and indoor areas, the use of wood was articulated with the creation of spaces endowed with filtered natural light, as well as contributing to the display of important pieces of art and the residence's internal furniture.